Hey there, students. Welcome to my class. I'm teacher Lee. Today, class, we are going to discuss what is arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence, a sequence where each term after the first is obtained by adding the same constant called common difference. And now, what is common difference, class? Common difference represented by small letter d, a constant added to each term of an arithmetic sequence to obtain the next of the sequence. So like for example, we have 5, 10, 15, 20. Solutions for that. First, subtract each term from the subsequent term to determine whether a common difference exists. When we are talking about subsequent term, that is a term after the other. Like for example, 20 is the subsequent term minus 15, so the answer is 5. We have also 15 minus 10, the answer is 5. We have also 10 minus 5 equals 5. So based on the example, class, as you can see, they have a common difference, and their common difference is 5. Next, we are going to check. So checking for that, term plus d equals the next term. So if we have here, first term we have 5 plus 5 equals 10. Then next we have 10 plus 5 equals 15. Next we have 15 plus 5 equals 20. So based on that, class, therefore we can make a conclusion. So our conclusion, therefore 5, 10, 15, 20 is an arithmetic sequence. Now let's proceed to example number 2. So for example, we have 12, 10, 8, and 6. So same process or solutions for that. A. Subtract each term from the subsequent term to determine whether a common difference exists. So again, we have here 6 minus 8 equals blank. We are going to apply subtracting integers. So what we are going to do is to change the sign of the subtrahend. The subtrahend we have is 8. To change the sign, it will become negative 8. Then proceed to addition. So we have now 6 plus negative 8 equals negative 2. Why it is negative 2? In subtracting sign numbers having different sign, what you're going to do is subtract and copy the sign of the number with a higher absolute value. So the number we have now, the difference is now negative 2. Let's try another. If we have 8 minus 10 equals 0. Same process, we are going to change the sign of the subtrahend here. From positive, make that into negative 10, then proceed to addition. So 8 plus negative 10 equals negative 2. Why it is negative 2? Because, class, we are subtracting numbers having different sign, and copy the sign of the number with a higher absolute value. So the higher absolute value here is negative 10, so our answer is negative 2. Let's proceed to the third example. We have 10 minus 12 equals blank. Same, we are going to apply here the steps that we applied both in 1 and 2. So 10 plus negative 12, the answer is negative 2. So the common difference is negative 2. Checking term plus d equals the next term. So we have now 12 plus negative 2, the answer is positive 10. Then we have 10 plus negative 2, the answer is positive 8. Then we have 8 plus negative 2, the answer is positive 6. So the conclusions we can make, therefore 12, 10, 8, 6 is an arithmetic sequence. Is that clear now, class? Again, they are considered as arithmetic sequence because they have the same common difference, which is negative 2. Let's proceed in a third example. This time we are dealing with negative sign. So we have negative 4, negative 2, 0, and positive 2. Solutions for that. Subtract each term from the subsequent term to determine whether a common difference exists. So we have 2 minus 0 equals 2. Then we have 0 minus negative 2 equals 0. So we'll change the sign of the subtrahend into positive 2 and proceed to addition. So we have now 0 plus 2 equals 2. Then next we have negative 2 minus negative 4 equals blank. Again, change the sign of the subtrahend negative 4 into positive 4. So we have negative 2 plus 4 equals 2. So as you can see, class, they have the same common difference, which is positive 2. Then we are going to checking term plus d equals the next term. So we have negative 2 plus 2 equals negative 2. We have another negative 2 plus 2 equals 0, and that will be the third term. And next we have 0 plus 2 equals 2. So what will be our conclusion, class? Can we consider the given sequence an arithmetic sequence or not? So the conclusion is, therefore, negative 4, negative 2, 0, 2 is an arithmetic sequence. Let's proceed to another example. We have 4, 8, 20, and 32. Solutions for that. Again, we are going to apply the steps in solving number 3. So we have 32 minus 20 equals 12. Correct. So we have 20 minus 8. The answer is 12. 8 minus 4 equals 4. I want you to observe this example, class. What can you say about the difference? Do they have common difference? The answer is there is no common difference. Why? Because one difference is 12, 12, and the other is 4. So can we consider this sequence an arithmetic sequence? The answer is no. Therefore, 4, 8, 20, 32 is not an arithmetic sequence. Why it is considered not arithmetic sequence? Because the given sequence, there is no common difference. Okay, so this time we have another example, 3, 6, 9, and 12. This time we will find the common difference. What will be the common difference? So, again, we are going to subtract the subsequent term to determine whether a common difference exists. So we have 12 minus 9. The common difference is 3. If we try another, 9 minus 6, the common difference again is 3. If we will try another 6 minus 3, again, the common difference is 3. It means that we can use any of the term, any subsequent term and the term to determine the common difference. We'll try another example. We have negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8. What is the common difference? So, same, we have negative 8 minus negative 6. So what we are going to do is, again, change the sign of the subtrahend to positive 6 and change the subtraction sign to addition. So we'll have now negative 8 plus 6. Okay, we are going to apply the subtraction rule of sign number. As what I said before, change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. Based on this, therefore, the common difference is negative 2. Why negative 2? Because in adding sign numbers having different sign, you are going to subtract and copy the sign of the number with a higher absolute value. So if we will try another negative 6 minus negative 4, do we come up with the same answer? The answer is same. The common difference is negative 2. Thank you for watching.